If you've got a messy garage, attic, or office, AI can actually help you declutter it, visually. Open Gemini or ChatGPT with image input, take a photo of your space and say, "Show me an organized version of this area using the same items." AI will analyze what's in the picture, group items by type, and suggest layout zones, tools, storage, workspace. Ask it to generate a list of what to keep, what to toss, and which storage bins to buy. If you want to see it in 3D, upload that photo to RoomGPT or Magicplan. It'll create a quick visual mock-up of what the finished space could look like. You can even ask, "Give me a Home Depot shopping list to build these shelves." This works for garages, closets, pantries, anywhere clutter lives. You'll know exactly what to buy, what to move, and where everything goes before lifting a single box. Decluttering stops being overwhelming when AI does the planning for you. This is HackStack. Fast, simple hacks that actually work.